can now take a look at the Ranvoo Aice light. There's the box just there. Lovely packaging, the back. So let's pop it open and take a look. And there we are there. So there's some basic instruction guides that it comes with, which I'll show you guys just now. And there is the air conditioner there. So you've got the Ranvoo Aice light there. And you've also got the charger cable here. So it's just a charger cable to be able to charge it up. Just in there. Put that to the side. So very good packaging. So there is the air conditioner there. Now, it feels very light for what you're getting, and it feels like a very, very good quality build. So there's the symbol there. If you turn it on, you guys can see, and you've got the turn up and down there, and the button. So if you press the button, it comes on. So you've got green, which is the environment mode, which basically adapts to the environment. So you hold it down, it changes it. So red is the heating mode. Now, as you can see, you put this on your neck, and you've got the pads there, which heat up as well, and there. And you've also got the air that comes through here as well. So if you put H3, what you do is you'll feel it gradually heating up. If we hold that down again, we'll go to white, which is the AI mode. Now you can see you can adjust the temperature there. So you want it to be warmer, you can turn it up. So I'll hold that down. So it changes temperature if you hold it down. So F is the speed as well. So as you can see straight away, you can hear how quiet this is as well. It doesn't make much noise, so you can be quite comfortable putting it onto your head or your neck. And I press that again, and hold it down. So that's heat, and that's the green, as I said before. Now blue is the cooling mode as well. So you hold this down to increase the cooling. Now you can see it's only got 3 batteries on there as well. I've been using this for ages. It's got a very, very good battery life here as well. It doesn't take too long to charge as well. You can see there. So if you feel it here, you can feel the breeze coming through there at the moment. And already you can feel this cooling here too. It feels really nice. And it's quite incredible that they've managed to take this from heating to cooling that quickly. Can you imagine if air conditioners could do that so quick? And as you can see, it fits there on your neck as well. So you can use the app with this. But I just love how easy it is to use. It really is beautiful. That's where the air comes through for the air as well. And that's cold. That's very cold actually. Very premium unit. And you can really feel the premium feel too. It really is beautiful.